always wanted to play at this park. Like, I mean, basketball. Farmers market, huh? So the channel is at about 620 subscribers. It looks like let's see, it looks like I need, let's see, 380 more subscribers. And then I will be monetized. Well, after they review my channel, but after the 380 more followers, I will be monetized. So please do me a favor and subscribe, like, you know, share. I really would like to get monetized, just 1,000 subscribers, and see where this goes after that. This is, you know, something I'm just doing for fun. I just want to see how much I can grow. If you guys really like this content, please comment down below. Just comment down below like fire, 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 you know what I'm saying? Like, that'd be dope. But yeah, also, you guys, I took a poll on whether or not, or on whether if you guys like me talking or the pure sound videos, and 70% of you, I mean, there wasn't a lot of votes, but 70% of you, the percentage wise, voted for me to talk. So I will try to talk in my videos from now on, and you know, I'll still do the pure sound videos here and there. I kind of want to pick up another microphone, you know, to have two microphones in the helmet, so that I can have two setups, one for pure sound, one for talking, so I can just, you know, clip it in, call it a day. That dude was not going to slow down. Yeah. So, you know, 70% of you. And let me tell you, it has been hard to get you subscribers, to get followers, to get, you know, to promote this channel. Like, I've tried to like create a Instagram channel, Instagram page to try to promote this channel, but man, it has been hard to promote it. Also, the Instagram channel is underscroll 2 wheels, just like this channel right now. So go follow. I'm gonna try to link it as well, so I will put that up there. Follow that page. I've also been trying to edit some caricature biker pictures. It's on the Instagram page as well, so take a look at that. If you guys want one, let me know. I learned how to do it. It's pretty easy. DM me. I kind of kind of want to make some money off of it. So DM me if you are willing to pay for a little caricature edit. Send me a pic. I'll do it real quick. I need criteria for that is you on the bike or something next to your bike, make sure your helmet isn't obstructed by anything. So make sure your head and helmet isn't obstructed. It makes for an easy edit. Ah, dang it. I should have put my earplugs in. I keep forgetting now. I was doing so well. But yeah, I really should be wearing my earplugs because my I think my left side is going, you know, a little deaf. And yeah, I just, you know, should be wearing it more consistently. I should have worn it from the start, you know. They're just regular earplugs. I think everyone should be riding with earplugs, whether you have a stock exhaust or not. Comment down below, you guys. I have a bunch of my modifications and stuff I've done to the bike in my description, so if you have any questions, go look there first. If you don't see anything that answers your questions, just comment down below. I love talking with you guys. I love answering your questions. Also, remember, again, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel a lot. I'm really pushing for the monetization, so please help your boy out. I would appreciate and love that. I would love you guys to go right now, you know, like and subscribe right now. And I'll catch you guys later.